Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. 1. Easy to learn and use. 2. Python has an active, mature, and supportive community. 3. Flexibility. 4. Python offers versatile web development solutions. 5. Python is well suited to data science and analytics. 6. Python is efficient, fast, and reliable. 7. Python is widely used with IoT, that is Internet of Things technology. 8. Support from renowned corporate sponsors. 9. Python has hundreds of libraries and frameworks. 10. Python empowers custom automation. 11. Python is the academic language. 12. Machine learning and cloud computing. 13. Python is now first-choice language. 14. Python can be used for tasks such as web development, data analysis, machine learning, game development, GUI application, and many more. 15. Python is developed under an OSI-approved open-source license, making it freely usable and distributable, even for commercial use.